Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is a great type of paste that you spread across your skin to help to stop the sun from hurting you. The sun gives us life, but it also tries to give us death if we bask in its warming glow for too long. That's why you need sunscreen if you plan on doing any basking. The best way to use sunscreen is to have your significant other put it on you for you onto your skin, or if you can put it on them, it's good too. As you can see, my significant other and I are doing just that. We're also smooching. We're kissing with our slippery mouths because we're in love and we're in a relationship and we're helping each other not get cooked to death by the sun. Oh baby, ooh la la, I'm so covered in sunscreen thanks to you, babe.
Oh yeah, baby, I love you so much. Let's kiss forever in the sand.
That's just a few of the things we said while we were smearing goop all over each other's tanned, gooey bodies. I can't say much more because this is a family program and I don't want to go to jail. Not again. Never again. Never ever again.